Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to set inbox spacing in Yahoo Mail account. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on any browser. So in any browser pwede natin gamitin mapa Firefox, on Chrome or Microsoft Edge ay pwede mga kaibigan na pang-open natin ng ating Yahoo account. And then, login lang yung Yahoo account. So, open lang ang ating Chrome browser. And then, once nakapag-login ka na, so ganito yung makikita mo itong Yahoo homepage. And then, dito lang sa upper right side, makikita mo dito yung mail icon, mga kaibigan, dito siya. So, kailangan mo lang itap yan. And madadirect tayo dito sa ating Yahoo Mail inbox. So, ang next step, so kung paano ba natin iset yung inbox spacing. So, dito lang sa upper right side mga kaibigan, ay kailangan mo lang itap tong icon settings. Ito siya. So, dito yung pinakadulo. So, kailangan mo lang itap yan. And makikita mo kaagad dito yung theme. And then, kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. At makikita mo na kaagad dito yung inbox spacing. So, may tatlong option dito na pwede natin i-select. Meron ditong small, medium, and yung large. So, kapag sinilik mo tong small, and then makikita mo dito mga kaibigan sa ating inbox ay nag-turn into small yung spacing niya. So, kapag medium, ayan. So, makikita mo kagad dito na nag-adjust or yung large, and then ganito siya. Right? So, it depends sa'yo kung ano yung gagamitin mong inbox spacing. Kung small, medium, or large. Alright? So, ganoon lang po ka-simply on how to set inbox spacing in Yahoo Mail account. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.